The loft, we got them blocks on blocks, put red on your top, baby. You bitch like Barbie doll. Me and Sorrow on boss shit, We got them loft, the loft. We got them blocks on blocks, knock it off. Cut to the trap, we got.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, like, comment, subscribe. Whichever side is on, subscribe. Thank you for 242 followers and, well, subscribers. Not followers, but subscribers. Thank you so much. Welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome. And this is just some side hustles that I accumulated in my brain. And I want to share with you guys. So this is what we finna do. So yeah, we're gonna start with like transportation service wise. You can do Lyft or Uber. Both of those are basically the same. You go pick up people and take them to the destination. I don't know what's wrong with them today, but my dogs are acting really crazy. You want to see him? Anyways, but both of them are just like kind of the same. Bless you. Amazon Flex. Is basically you're going to the Amazon warehouse and picking up Amazon packages and delivering them. Starts off at $25 an hour. That's all I could really get on the pay, and it's in selected areas. It's not in my area yet, so check out the areas. You can type in Amazon Flex driver and try to sign up like that. Move on to the food deliveries. Food delivery wise, I have DoorDash. If you don't have DoorDash in your area, but consider DoorDash. Go look into your area and see how DoorDash is doing. Postmates, go look into your area and see how Postmates is doing. Grubhub, see how Grubhub will go. Grubhub is a good company. Postmates, DoorDash, Grubhub. And also we have another one called Bite Squad, and it's like a new little delivery service company. I don't know how they are, but I know they have a uniform. Another one is Waiter and Uber Eats. I see a lot of people doing Uber Eats and Waiter as well. Moving on, we're gonna do the grocery. Okay, so DoorDash just started the groceries with Walmart, so I haven't been getting any orders with Walmart, so we're gonna see on that. I don't know yet, but we're gonna see. But Instacart is one. And Shipped, I think I'm saying that right. It's another one for the groceries to make some good money. It's selling stuff on eBay or Craigslist or anything like that of that nature. To do this app called Perk Apps, and I kind of still do it, but I accumulated almost $20 on there. It's not a lot of money, but it's money. If you're younger and you can't get access to any of these jobs, I would suggest doing apps and watching videos for perks and things like that, gift cards and all kind of stuff. Also, last but not least, you could be on here doing a YouTube video just like me and make some money. Keep that in mind. Start your own business. Keep that in mind. But yeah, those are my side hustles that I got for you guys. Thanks for watching and let me know how you feel about this. And welcome to my channel. Like I said, subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe. I'm not playing. Subscribe. Peace.